This microphone changed the way I create content, and I bought it because of someone I collaborated with. When I collaborated with Hajara, I noticed her microphone was clean, clear, and very professional. After the shoot, I asked her about what microphone she uses, and that conversation led to this. Someone will be like, why this microphone? I chose this new microphone because the old one I was using, which is this microphone, I know you know it because a lot of people have been using this microphone. This microphone, whilst using, you can realize the microphone will be shaking, capturing background noise, and also has a distance issue. So I have to follow what Hajara recommended. As a content creator in Cote d'Ivoire, I shoot outdoors a lot, from market, streets, to interviews. So I needed a microphone that can handle real African environment. Alright, so it is now time for the tutorials. Even though I'm still using the old microphone, there is one here and there is another one here. So now let's open up the new microphone and test it with this old phone of mine and see how it works. Then after that, maybe we will check the other one in other videos when I start using the microphone properly for outdoor, videos. So let's go. I bought it on Jumia. Yeah, if you go to Jumia, you can find a lot of those microphones. You have to source very well because you have to search for the prices. You don't just go to Jumia and start buying. Okay, you search for the lower prices because you can find the same product with a lot of different prices. So from higher, you keep on digging until you find a lower price, then you buy. That's what I do. Now let me throw this away. So this is how it looks like. So Ajara, if you're watching me, is this the one you recommended? Yeah, because I just watched it when you showed it to me, brought it out of the box and I went and buy. I didn't ask for the microphone's, name. So this is how it looks like. Is that it? Ajara, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so nowadays this is one of the microphones that a lot of people or new creators are using. A lot of creators nowadays. So let's get it done. Hey, something fell. Okay. Now here is it. And this is how it looks like. Have you seen it with this? This is my first time of using something like this. And I think it comes with, I'm sure it's a charger cord. Okay, this. So here's the box and you can see how it looks like on the box. Let's put this aside. Now let's open and see what is inside. Hey Charlie, how do they open it? Hey God, look at it. That's how we open it. Have you seen? Now here is the microphone. This is the adapter and this is the second microphone. So let me see. I hope it's not battery low so that we'll be able to test it. Now let's do the testing. Go to camera, hit on video. I'll do a video recording and play it. Then we'll test it. But I hope the battery is charged. So let's go. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. Let's play it and see. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. Which is cool. That's the phone's microphone. Now let's use this new microphone and see. Okay, let me put it here. Let me fix in the adapter. But this one, no, the adapter they didn't do where you will see a light so that it will show you that it has been. Let me see something. Hey. Oh, okay. There is a light inside. I don't know whether you can see. Can you see? Yeah. So if you fix it, you see this light, it means it is connected. Now let's let's get it done, Charlie. I'm rushing. Oh, Charlie. This phone too. Okay. So let me go back. All right. How do you on the microphone? Good. See, can you see? There is a light here. So I don't know whether it's connected or not, but I saw a light which is on. So let's try it and see. Yo, guy, how are you doing? Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Let's see. I just hope it works. Yo, guy, how are you doing? Hope you are good. Hope you are good. I think it's low, and now it's because I spoke slowly. Let me do it and see. Because if you check here, there is something here, like a hook sign. And aside the hook sign, there is another one, you know, that has a sound sign or something like a sound icon. But I don't know. Oh, okay. Wait. Now it is blinking. I don't know whether it's working or not, Charlie. So let's try it again and see. You, Daddy, what's up? You deceive me. Daddy, make you don't come insult you for the comment section, eh? It is not working. Not that it's not working. I don't know how to use it. That's it. Let me put it back. It is on. You can see the blue light. Let me off it first. I don't know how to use it. Okay. The light is off. Now let's on it. You see a red light. Have you seen? So I don't know whether it is showing me that the microphone is working now or I don't know. And now it is low battery. Let's do it again. You, hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing good. You, hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing good. Charlie, it dey work. Yeah, it's working. So you can realize the sound from this one and the older video, it is not the same. So let's tap it and see whether it is working. Tap the microphone again. Let me send it back. Okay. So let's go. Whether we can hear the poo 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 sound. Okay. Let's go and see. But wait, oh, there is something that I want to explain here. I don't know why now the blue light, it is only one that is working and this one is off. Or does it mean maybe I have to connect the two microphones for it to show that I'm using two? Whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section down below. We are testing the new microphone that we saw that it is working. And I hope to, enjoy doing video with this new microphone. Whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section down below. Do you know anything concerning this new microphone? Also, let me know in the comment section down below. Shout out to Hajara for putting me on this microphone. Collaborations are not just about views. Sometimes they upgrade your whole journey. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you know anything concerning this new microphone, also let me know in the comment section down below. As always, it's your boy Habib Educator, and I'll see you guys in the next video.